we brought you to Miramar Beach, which is just outside Destin, Florida. So it is Lakeland, Skylan, and I. We've already said that Langley could not come because of work. Tom could not come because he didn't have any more vacation days. When we booked it, we didn't realize that he wasn't going to have enough vacation days. So this is a lock, like this would be, no, let me see, this isn't the adjoining room. What is this? Oh, peekaboo in there. We have luggage in the way, but ironing board, carpet sweeper. This is an adjoining room if somebody had booked it that way, which we did not. Then we have a large king bed. I like the shapes of these rooms. Safe, closet. All right, and then we have 2 kids, not included, garden tub, and double vanity sink. Look, guys, I'm in something that is not like Mickey oriented. Can y'all believe it? Anyway, so each one of us have our pool bands. This lets us into the pool. And they're gonna start to stock. We have the 1-bedroom deluxe. It is your fully stocked kitchen. If you've watched our other Wyndham resort stays, you know that it's fully equipped. And you know, you're at the beach, you can't have carpet on the main floors, you gotta have tile. So there we go. Look, the air conditioning feels great. Looks spacious. DVD player. Unusual wall feature that maybe at one time had an artificial plant. I don't know. Closet. I'm gonna locked utility. Let's see, here we have a washer and dryer with detergent. Here is the 1 bath. Oh my goodness. Ugh. All right, guys, y'all got to do a little updating that. That is some mold there. I'm not happy about that. Ugh. Small balcony, but with a really nice view. So, oh, somebody's out there paddling on the water, so we do have a beach view. Everybody here actually has to walk across the street to get to the beach. Front gate when you come in, and then we get a whole different view in that direction. That didn't take long, but Lakeland found the purpose. Nice. It is time to kind of explore the resort, and we're actually going down to the beach. I need some more. It smells like fish. Yep. It smells like fish. Oh my God. It does. Oh, it smells like restaurant fish, actually. Not like sea fish. Ocean fish. Restaurant fish. Does that make sense? What are you saying? What are you saying?
I said, look at the beautiful view.
That's not what you said. Oh crud, I just pushed the wrong button.
What can we even press down?
So anyway, I need some more headshots of Skylan. So we're actually
gonna look crazy out there on the beach, and everyone's gonna be looking at us.
Yeah, so we are actually that's down. So we're gonna take those.
Where do we go? One ground?
Yep. So wow, these are actually homeowners have these condos. We're back there in that building, and we just crossed the street right here, and we're on the beach. Take your shoes off. Feel the sand. Do you feel it? It's so soft. It's not gritty or anything. It's awesome.
There are so many people on this beach even at night.
Yeah. We have found the perfect spot. to start some of the headshots. Look at that piece of huge driftwood. Ooh, ants on the sand? Well, I wouldn't have been expecting that. We've taken a break from shooting for a minute, pictures. Skylan wanted pictures on Lakeland's back.
Lean forward. I can't.
And now this is them goofing off because of it.
Make you fall. Your hair smells funky. I'm gonna drop you.
Oh, you could have hurt his back, goofball. The fish are scary. What, they're nibbling at your toes? So we have found this one thing we really don't like. Like, this is the only entrance and exit out is the main building. Because see, this building is actually Wyndham. That is not. And that back there is not. So, yeah, it's kind of, I mean, it's not bad, but it's not great either. So I just finished editing the first vlog. And while I was doing that, they started off watching Ferdinand. I don't know when he stopped and got on his something else. When did you start coloring?
Lakeland colored that. He said, I give up.
Seriously? You gave up after one feather? That's not even like a feather. A piece of hair. You gave up after a piece of hair. That... Nice, Lakeland. What do you, like, I thought you had colored pencils.
No, I would do it like colored pencils.
They're pins.
Or like those the gel pens.
Oh, those are the gel pens? Oh.
Yeah, so like the tips are not fit like they need to be.
Okay. So what's on the agenda for tomorrow?
Sleeping, breakfast, beach, tan, sand,
Man.
And a whole bunch of rhyming.